Pharmahealth New Zealand Limited has marketed and distributed a range of high-profile, consumer-proven natural dietary supplements in New Zealand since August 1999. Pharmahealth's range of 7 products represents a cross-section of the world's most researched, most used and most effective market-leading health supplements available today. Here is an overview of Pharmahealth's range of products. All of these products are natural. Lipol, 100% New Zealand. This product is now sold in over 30 countries around the world. It has registration for arthritis in 6 countries and more are pending. Current monthly sales in Australia, where it is distributed by Blackmores, are around 30,000 packets, while in the USA they are around 100,000 packets. Registered indications: arthritis, inflammatory disorders, asthma support.
Australian scientists have discovered a natural product from the sea already being used to help arthritis can also relieve the symptoms of asthma. It comes from a mussel in New Zealand and is being trialled with significant results.
The healing ability of the humble New Zealand green-lip mussel goes back to anecdotal evidence that Maoris who ate them had a much lower incidence of arthritis. Scientists found they contained a substance called lipronol, a discovery which now seems to have wide-reaching benefits.
It's inhibiting one of the 2 major pathways, the inflammatory pathways in the body.
Now approved for arthritis treatments, lipronol has just been trialled on mild asthmatics. Supervised by one of the world's leading experts, it found patients reported significant improvement in their daily symptoms.
It has an anti-inflammatory action, which is how steroids work in asthma, but this is working through some different mechanism.
Remy Femine. This world's top-selling natural menopause product is frequently the preferred natural alternative to HRT. It is hormone-free and has many international studies which attest to its effectiveness and safety. Significantly, it has studies which confirm it is safe for women who have breast cancer concerns, and some studies link it to a decreased incidence of breast cancer.
Something missing in your life? Menopause affects Australian women in many ways. Headaches, anxiety, hot flushes, night sweats, even marriage breakdowns. Menopause really can turn you into another person. The good news, Remy Femine. Over the past 10 years, Remy Femine has already helped thousands of Australian women relieve menopausal symptoms naturally. Remy Femine. Now there's an easier way to chill.
Remy Femine has nearly 60% of the natural menopause market in New Zealand, made by German market leader Schaefer and Brunner. Registered indications: hot flushes, mood swings, menopause support. 30+. Developed for the Australian market by Dr. Jeff Butterworth, a leading Australian naturopath, this product has been a market leader in both Australia and New Zealand over the last 6 years.
Contrary to popular belief, women are not from Venus. Women can now, at long last, put a name to a condition that has for many years been deemed to be a woman's problem. The condition is called estrogen dominance and affects over 60% of women in the 30+ age bracket. The condition can be caused by taking the contraceptive pill for a long period of time, childbirth, menstruation cycle, or foods that contain high levels of estrogen. But now that we've identified the condition, we have an answer.
With the issue of estrogen dominance on the increase and the confusion between hormone imbalance and depression, 30+ continues to play a leading role in New Zealand women's health. 30+ has over 70% of New Zealand's natural hormone balance market. Indications: estrogen dominance, mood swings, hormone imbalance, anxiety, weepiness, stress. Pharmahealth is proud to represent Dr. Wilmar Pharmaceuticals in New Zealand. The products we have are market leaders in many world markets. Dr. Wilmar Schwabe has over 150 years' experience making phytopharmaceuticals, plant-based pharmaceutical products. Schwabe is the world's leader in identifying the active ingredient from nature and presenting it in a digestible format so the body can absorb and utilize these health gifts from nature.
In 1866, Dr. Wilmar Schwabe founded the company in Leipzig. he developed pharmaceutical standards for medicinal plant extracts, some of which are still valid today. With each following generation, Schwabe Pharmaceuticals continued to grow. But the values of the founder still guide the company's evolution. Innovation, reliability, responsibility, and quality. Over the years, Schwabe emerged as a globally acting pharmaceutical company. Today, the Dr. Wilmar Schwabe Group comprises 6 companies in Germany and more than 20 subsidiaries and joint ventures around the world.
First launched in France 30 years ago, Tevenin EGB 761 is currently used by more than 8 million people daily around the world. Every second, more than 92 doses of Tevenin are taken.
The unique ginkgo biloba extract, EGB 761, is the best researched phytomedicine worldwide. It is approved for the treatment of Alzheimer's disease and for vascular disorders such as tinnitus and vertigo. EGB 761 is manufactured in a patented multi-stage process. A ton of the dried leaves yields only 20 kilograms of EGB 761. The efficacy of EGB 761 has been demonstrated in more than 60 controlled clinical studies. Together with an excellent safety profile, this makes EGB 761 an outstanding success in over 60 countries. More than 14 billion daily doses have been placed on the market so far.
Here's a capillary in which hardly any blood flows. With increasing length of therapy, with ginkgo biloba special extract EGB 761, the erythrocytes become less closely packed and no longer adhere to each other. And this is what the flow looks like after only 4 weeks of treatment. The red blood cells can pass more easily through the fine capillaries and can transport more oxygen into the cells over the same period of time. This picture shows a vascular network in the skin. In the same section, an increase in the number of perfused vessels can already be seen after 2 weeks of therapy. After 6 weeks, a marked increase in the number of perfused microvessels can also be seen.
It is a very effective anti-aging natural medicine, as many age-related illnesses arise from an inefficient microcirculation. It has medicine registration in over 50 countries around the world, including Germany, Sweden, France and Switzerland. With age, leg vein health tends to deteriorate. The return valves can struggle to return blood back up the leg. This is similar to what happens in economy seat syndrome when blood struggles to return to the heart from the legs. This can result in blood pooling and stagnating. Vitrax helps the blood return up the leg veins, and international studies show it is at least as effective as compression stockings. Registration's indications: venous insufficiency, oedema, spider veins, varicose veins, normal fluid balance. Cardiova. This natural product helps people who have a sick heart, and it is also suitable for those wanting to protect their heart. It is registered as a medicine in 10 countries. Full of antioxidants, it assists greater blood flows through the cardiovascular system without stressing the heart. Has no known contraindications and has been the subject of many international trials. Has a Cochrane collaboration endorsement.
It's being hailed as the world's best heart tonic, made from a dense thorn scrub called flowering hawthorn. It contains powerful antioxidants that increase blood flow by dilating coronary arteries. Cardiologist Professor David Calhoun now has 6 patients trialling Cardiova.
This hawthorn extract, adding to all the regular drug therapy, almost certainly saves lives. A significant step forward for managing patients with very sick hearts.
More than 2,500 people took part in the Hawthorn trial, reporting healthier hearts within 6 weeks and no side effects.
Registration's indications strengthens and protects the heart, improves coronary and myocardium circulation, relieves strain on the heart, improves physical performance, improves quality of life. Cardiova, plant-based cold, sore throat and cough remedy. Clinically proven safe for children and is a registered medicine in many countries around the world. This remarkable product has a threefold mode of action: antiviral, antibacterial, immune support and mucolactic activity. Proven in many international studies, this remarkable plant-based natural medicine offers a preemptive strike for winter ailments.
In patients with chronic bronchitis, it has been shown that the medicine can clearly prevent a new infection and can thus improve the patient's quality of life. The extract has also been shown to be effective and very well tolerated in children with tonsillopharyngitis and inflammation of the bronchi. Results of placebo-controlled studies show that the medicine can quickly cure the sore throat and can effectively prevent recurrence, which is of great importance for children.
The immune system of children is of a special nature. It is only completely developed by the age of 10. Children, therefore, suffer from infections of the respiratory tract more frequently and more severely than adults, up to 10 times a year.
Many mothers have told me that if they use the medicine at the first sign of a cough or cold in autumn, their children suffer from fewer and much less severe infections over the whole winter period.
Registrations, indications, first response for URTTs, common cold, sore throat, tonsillitis, sinusitis, bronchitis. Thank you for spending this time with Pharmahealth. Please feel free to answer any questions and visit our website www.pharmahealth.co.nz.